This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your smart door lock battery. It's a simple process that can keep your home secure and your lock functioning smoothly. Most smart locks use standard AA or AAA batteries, and knowing your lock's specific type is the first step. We'll walk through finding the battery compartment and preparing for the replacement, ensuring you have everything you need. Now, let's get to the batteries. For many smart locks, you'll need to remove the interior cover. This often involves a small Phillips head screwdriver to loosen one or two screws. Once the screws are out, carefully detach the cover. You'll then see the battery pack, which typically holds 4 AA or AAA batteries, ready for replacement. With the compartment open, it's time to swap out the old batteries. Gently pull them out, paying attention to how they were oriented. This helps ensure you insert the new ones correctly. Always use fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries for optimal performance and longevity. Most locks require 4 batteries, so make sure you have a full set ready to go. After inserting the new batteries, it's crucial to test your lock. Try using your key code or the mobile app to ensure it's working properly. Once you've confirmed functionality, carefully reattach the interior cover. Make sure any screws are tightened securely, but don't over-tighten them. Your smart lock is now powered up and ready to provide reliable security for your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.